Good morning. I'm Bryce Boydston, and alongside we have Dustin Saunders, Brianna Manwaring, and Mallory McMullen. And our presentation is going to be on ADHD, a low incidence disability. So we're going to be talking about ADHD for this PowerPoint. So to begin, what is ADHD? According to Chad, what it is, ADHD is a chronic neurodevelopmental disorder characterized by developmentally inappropriate levels of inattention, impulsivity, and hyperactivity. It goes on to talk about that there'll be symptoms that will continue into adulthood, more than 3/4 of the cases. So as you can see in this slide, the picture right here in the slide is that a child will exhibit significant inattention, and then level 2 is hyperactivity, which a child will exhibit adequate attention control but still presents significant deficits. And then combined, or level 3, is the most common form in which the child struggles to pay attention as well as regulating behavior. And then the last bullet says ADHD affects 11% of school-age children. Now, as teachers, we're going to come across symptoms when it comes to ADHD. So, a couple of symptoms to be aware of is that a child will fail to give close attention to details or will make careless mistakes. A child will have difficulty sustaining attention, does not appear to listen. And then one thing is easily distracted. A child with ADHD is easily distracted, and so you can see in this PowerPoint that there are different symptoms. So every student that we'll come across will have different symptoms. So, but these are pretty much all the same. So this is pretty much a continuation of the symptoms of ADHD, predominantly hyperactive impulsive presentation. One thing that, as you can see, this child right here, is that he's having a lot of stuff. He's just holding. He's just not focused. You can see that someone with ADHD is that he will fidget with his hands or feet and squirms in the chair. Has difficulty remaining seated. Difficulty engaging in activities quietly. Talks excessively. One very common one is that a child will blurt out answers before questions have been completed. I think this is probably, at least to me in my experience, what I've seen is that, people will blurt out answers. So, and difficulty waiting or taking turns, interrupts or intrudes upon others. That's another symptom predominantly in ADHD. So, classroom challenges. I'm just going to read one. Is that regarding children with ADHD, little, if anything, is known about their production of referring expressions. One study has shown that children with ADHD use more ambiguous referring expressions than TD or typically developing children. And then medical advancements. One thing that I saw is that physical exercises will help improve children's attention and provide greater impulse control. And ADHD is more common in males than females. If for females, it'll be inattention. And then assistive technologies is medication, which can help them improve their attention span. So that's pretty much that. And then you have your works cited, and thank you so much, and we hope you enjoyed it.